Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Owen Company. Today we're in the shop and we're going to walk you through the steps on how to install a Cattleman Grille Guard on this 2020 Ford F-150. Check it out. Step 1. To mount the bottom brackets, remove the tow hooks if they are present. If the tow hooks are not present, you will have to cut the plastic to get to the factory frame holes. Step 2. Bolt the offset bracket to the frame and to the tow hook bolts utilizing the holes on the side of the tow hooks. Do the same on the passenger side. Step 3. Put the grille guard in place and bolt on. Step 4. Check the alignment on the grille guard and tighten the bolts. Side note, you may need to periodically retighten these bolts. All right, we're done with this bad boy. Appreciate you watching, and thanks to Robert Owen for showing us the ropes. Remember to tune in every Friday for new products, reviews, and installations like this.